Good morning, or evening, I suppose. This video is showing you how to access your speak selection. This is very helpful, especially for when you take your test, because it reads to you. And those of you that are a verbal learner, as well as a visual learner, this can help you comprehend things. So, your first step is going to be to look for your settings. Click in it. On the left hand side, you want to swipe to find accessibility. When you're in accessibility, look for spoken content. You want to make sure speak selection and speak screen are green. Once you do that, you can go into Canvas. I'm just going to go there. Okay, I don't want you to see my password, so give me a minute. I'm going to find my Canvas course where I'm already logged in. There it is. Okay, so just to test it out, I'm going to click inside my course and have it read something to me. So in order to have something read to you, you want to press down and then press speak. Okay, that did not work. So I'm going to highlight everything, make sure my volume's up, and then press speak. Okay, so that works. You guys can't hear it probably because I'm a voice recording over it, but that speaks screen to you. I do not like how fast this lady's talking to me. You can't hear it, but it is pretty fast. So what I'm going to do is, give me a minute here, I'm going to show you how to go back into your settings, and this speaking rate, this is how you adjust that. So she was speaking way too fast for me, so I just went back into settings and made it slower. Again, this will help you. You need to be read to you. Yeah, that just sounds better to me, so I'm going to keep it like that. I hope this video helps. It is something that I think all of you should turn on your iPad. Text to speak. Thank you.